Hi, welcome to TIOmarkets price action analysis. Yesterday, our trade idea on EURUSD worked out really nicely. And now we have some weakness in this market, so it makes sense to go and see where the key levels are and why we might have this bit of weakness in EURUSD in today's trading. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out of any of the opportunities here. And also please do remember that we don't provide any investment advice. Watch this video only if you agree with this disclaimer. So yesterday the market moved exactly as we sort of suspected it might, and basically there was a move down to our buy zone. We focused on 50% level, 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the channel low. Basically the idea was that we have a technical confluence area here, and it was actually 2-hour time frame that we were looking at. Now basically institutional buying started here in this area, and this was that actually the whipsaw here was created by the FOMC press conference, and after that, obviously when the institutions buy, they really moved the market and the market rallied higher. Now just a quick point here, the levels quite often that we identify are highly significant, and you might want to share these videos with your friends so that they also get to see the analysis that we do, because it is helpful. So do that now, copy the URL and paste it into social media or whatever, but it really does help your friends, and we would like to see that happening also. It really is great to see more people viewing these videos. Anyway, so now the market is up here. It is slowing down, as you can see. There is no, there is really a sort of change in the momentum here. The market was rallying higher and now it's losing momentum. So what might be the reasons? One of the reasons is that the market is now trading outside of this price channel. So in that sense, it is overbought. But also, there is another reason, and to understand this, we have to go to the weekly time frame. And unfortunately there's a lot of lines there now, but let's go back in history a little bit to this top here. The top that market created in 27 is now playing a role here. So if we take, I think in today's analysis at TIOmarkets.com/analysis, I was focusing on this level of 2245, I think it was, and this is actually the level where the market is now finding a little difficult to move further. So obviously it's a historical resistance, so people are taking some money off the table as they bought down here earlier. And now the question is, where might be the key levels if the market retraces lower from there, if there is a reaction to this resistance level, and then we obviously need to be looking at potential support levels. I think the this 2177 is still quite important, and obviously we should update the Fibonacci's. So now we have 23.6 here, a level that was a bit of a resistance, and so it might work as an intraday level there. We have the 10-period moving average there, also roughly in the same region. Then we have this 2177, and then if the market goes deeper, the channel low area is obviously important with 50% Fibonacci, 50 period moving average there. So, and actually the 50% Fibonacci level is fairly close by as well here in this area. So this is what the EURUSD looks like at the moment. It is trading near to a historical resistance, so bulls are not so strong anymore up here than they were down closer to the support levels. It was a great trade. It was a good trade idea. And so maybe you can take a moment and leave us a comment on what you like. Whatever you like to say, we are always happy to answer your questions, and we're always happy to see your comments also. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to see you on the next video. Trade safe, never trade without stops. Thank you.